I just wanna be successful really bad. Oh, oh, yes. Oh, yes. All I wanna do is sing out loud, really bad, really bad, really bad, really bad. My song is sort of flat right now because I smoke and I shouldn't. Yes, I shouldn't. I shouldn't. I shouldn't. I shouldn't. I shouldn't. But Adele gets my inspiration. She smokes on her videos. I think it's great, 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 great. So why do you judge me? Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. No, 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 no. Don't judge me. Cause I smoke and I shouldn't. You're trifling. You're trifling. You're trifling. You are trifling. I want to have my own CD one day and have about 19 songs on it like Lady Gaga did. I don't think she did, but I can't tell you what I did because I didn't buy the CD. So I'm just gonna sing the song about the CD and how I'm gonna put it in the computer later on. I just switch keys and I'm fine with that. I don't know how to record YouTube videos, so this is all I do. This is all I do. Ooh. You have to make your lips round. Do. When you're singing sheet music, when you sing music, you're supposed to enunciate and you want to pronounce your words so that others may understand what you're saying. So if you don't enunciate, then they won't understand you. Okay? So you want to round your vowels and make sure you say the most important part of the word, like can, con, like can, con, or pencil, pencil. That's how you would say those words. So maybe next time you sing a song on the internet, you'll think about that.